Hello, I am presenting an evaluation study of choosing the best fitted graduate program for an exercise and sports science degree. I prepared this presentation for the Student Undergraduate and Research Fund, presented by me, Bernardino Diaz. Here's a quick overview of what I needed to research to know which university best fits me. Admission into grad school is highly competitive within the field of exercise and sports science. The most effective way for the application to proceed, researching among different graduate programs that will best fit the individual, is crucial. I evaluated 3 universities: Texas State University, Florida State University, and the University of Texas. After looking back to my data research, I can help paint a small picture of what to expect when I get into grad school or not. To gather the required information, the project was organized into 3 different criteria: cost, location, and ranking. Graduate school tuition varies widely by program, but we roughly estimate average grad school tuition to be $30,000 a year at a public university and $40,000 a year at private university. I emailed the 2 individuals, Mark Grant and Sarah Mollier, on their opinion on their perspective of what you can do with an exercise sports science degree after grad school. Also asked them what's more important, cost, ranking, or location to them. I used Google and the Texas State Library database for my secondary research, and it was probably the most reliable one I can use. This graph shows how much it costs to attend grad school for the following universities. These rates are the cost to attend per 12 credit hours coming from living and out of state. Florida actually limited the access to giving the information for tuition per credit, but tuition is indeed showing the highest comparisons to students coming from a different state. Florida State has the highest non-resident tuition rates according to my research on their website, which is also on this graph. Also, graduation tuition at University of Texas is mid-range compared to Florida and Texas State. According to the graph, all of the off-campus living expenses are gradually raising as years come. I researched the location and how much it costs to live off near the school. These charges on the graph show the average of how much it costs to live near campus for a full 12-month lease, not including utilities, just rent. It is important to know these results because this adds up to all the things you pay already. You would want to prepare and be able to manage your time while attending grad school. Texas State University's Department of Health and Human Performances is not ranked under the nation's radar. However, the information provided by the Texas State webpage was limited to what I can see in terms for the ranking. The GRE is not required for grad school if you have a grade point average of a 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. According to College Factual, students that attend Texas State have an overall graduation rate of 51.1%. Graduation rating is more important because you want that higher probability for yourself to finish your graduate program. According to the GRE requirements, UT does not provide enough information to look into. However, I read a whole list of different departments required scores, except there was not any in the field of health education, kinesiology, or exercise sports science. UT ended up ranking number 78 in the nation with a graduation rate of 51%. Florida State University is ranked 158 in the nation. Their graduation rate is 53%, which makes it above average. These type of results influence undergrads to apply for graduate school. According to the College of the Human Services, a competitive graduate record examination revised general test score, which is also GRE, recommended score of above the 50th percentile in both verbal and quantitative sections with a 4.0 or higher on the written section. The GRE is competitive as it can get. I was limited to finding the exact score needed for the GRE, but it has its requirements for Florida University. So what I recommend, graduate school is important because it separates yourself from others with a basic exercise and sports science degree. ESS is a broad major. You can get jobs out there such as coaching, cardiac rehab, strength and conditioning, and health promotion. I'm reaching out to everyone that has their mind on grad school. Maybe you're not interested in these particular schools, but I think there needs to be some research before you decide based off of cost, location, and rank. Overall, I think the best fitted graduate program for exercise and sports science majors is Texas State University. It has an awesome environment, and it's not expensive to live a normal daily lifestyle. Listed here are different requirements for Texas State University, Florida State University, and the University of Texas. And deadlines are on the bottom for seniors looking to apply and get their life on the right track. That concludes today's presentation on an evaluation study choosing the best fit graduate program for exercise and sports science degree to the Student Undergraduate Research Fund. Thank you.